one yet right there for me.
That was so fun.
Hey everybody, it's Bleu Loope.
Hey guys, it's Bleu Loope.
We are getting ready to get in cars to go to both our first ever drift event.
Yay!
I've never been to a drift event in all this time, and much less driven one. I've done some, goofing off, kind of my own kind of drifting at autocrosses, but never really done a drift event. The other thing is I've never really tried to hang the Celine out hard. The other cars I have, and I know they'll do it, so I'm nervous that the Celine will even have enough power to get sideways. Are you going to drive? Are you going to do this drifting?
No, definitely not.
So
not until I go to the school. I don't feel confident enough. I'm a little afraid.
Okay, so she's going to hold off and just kind of hang out. We're getting on the road. We're heading to it. It's about an hour drive to get there. See y'all in the next little bit. Nerves are going. Yeah, way too much time pressure.
Yeah. That was fun though.
Yes. Best one yet right there for
That
me.
was so fun.
Whoa. Man, the nerves. Man, that was fun. Hey everybody, so we've done the drift event. It was something special.
It was really fun.
What was your thoughts on it?
Yeah, I probably would wait until I have the more confidence to do it.
Yeah.
But I overall had really a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was fun. I thought that was a lot of fun. If you thought about drifting, watch those videos, and until you really get out there and try it yourself, I don't think you realize or can comprehend, or at least I didn't. I mean, I knew I had respect for those dudes that are drifting, the dudes, girls and guys that are out there drifting. I knew it took some skill, but that's why I was telling Blue, I said, the thing about this drifting is, number one, you got to have some real guts to throw your car in really hard like you have to get it loose.
Yeah.
And then immediately followed up with the skill to catch it and then finesse it and maintain that angle that you're putting into the corners. I did okay. I'm somewhat happy. I was so concerned that my car wouldn't spin that once it started spinning, I was like, okay, mission accomplished. Everything else was like, oh, okay, I got sideways some, and then, there was some donuts here and there, which a donut does not count for drift. You screwed up if you're doing a donut. Which I did many donuts, but there was a few, there's a few passes I was really happy with. One in particular, and I hope we caught it on video. I was very happy with just being able to hold it out there for a long period of time on two separate corners. I thought it went really well. Yeah, much respect to the drifters out there, man. They really are skilled, and that's a talent to learn. It was a lot of fun. Yeah. I'm glad we did it. We probably may do more. I found out about another drift event that's somewhat close by also, and it's only like $20. It's it's even more laid back and more of a practice area, so that may be a great opportunity for you to get in there and work that too. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, man. We had a ball making it. I did.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I had a ball, man. That was a real good time. Appreciate y'all watching. God bless. Have a good one.